Hi everyone, welcome back to Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, we will be learning how to download MEXC application on your iOS device step by step. First of all, launch open your App Store on your iOS device and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. In the search bar, type in MEXC and search. Look for the MEXC Buy Bitcoin, BTC and Crypto app from One Chain Technology Limited and tap on the Get or the Cloud icon to initiate the download process. Wait for the MEXC app to download and install on your iOS device. It will take a couple of minutes. Also, make sure that your device has a stable internet connection. Once the application is installed, tap on the Open button. Now your MEXC application has been installed on your iOS device. You can continue logging in with your existing account or create a new MEXC account. After you do that, you can explore crypto trading, buy, sell coins, and manage your portfolio direct from your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.